It's Tom here with Atom Packs. We're just going to quickly run through how to wash a backpack. You might need to wash a pack, especially if you're sending a pack back to us for repair. We want the pack to come back clean. We can't really have it full of trail bits and pieces. So the first thing I'd do is take the pack outside and give it a really good shake out. The next up, if you wanted to flip it inside out, and then what I have here is just a bucket full of cold water, and I've put a little bit of like mild soap in here. This is actually like baby shampoo, but you can kind of use anything, just like mild, nothing too like heavy. And then literally we're just going to chuck it in, give the pack a bit of a sluice around. You can kind of leave it in there to soak. You can do this in a bathtub or anything. Kind of give the pack a bit of a agitate in there. Once you're happy that the inside's clean, you can flip it back the other way around, turn it inside out, do the same again. Then lastly, just rinse it and hang it up. So once we're happy, we can just literally hang that up outside and just let it drip dry. If you do it in the bathtub, you can hang it up, hook it onto the shower and just leave it to drip. It's worth kind of doing, especially if you've like been off on a through hike, or like we recently had a pack come back to us and the guy was quite sweaty off the Arizona trail, and like it's fairly disgusting for us to have to be able to like unpick or repair a pack in that condition. So we ask that if you are going to ship a pack back to us to repair, just give it a clean first. Wicked.